Okay, hi there. Tom Gusler from Green Genie SEO. We're going to do another client of a client SEO DIY sort of video here. So whenever I'm doing research on websites and research online and looking for what's going on in the searches and in the SERPs, I find the same common problem over and over again. And often I'll take on clients and this will be their first thing that I'll fix. So I already got a search loaded up here, Hamilton Towing. So Hamilton Towing, what I'm going to do is I'm going to look down through here and see who's ranking for what. So I'm looking for a specific thing here that I want to see. I already see one, Speedy Towing in Hamilton. There's one that's problem. And then who else we got here? Oh, we got Precision Towing and Flatbed Service. At least they've got Hamilton in there. Okay, I'm going to pick on Speedy Towing in Hamilton, and I'm going to pick on Ray's Towing. And we're going to go over here. And the reason is because, as you can see, speedytowing.ca is speedytowing.ca. So Google can see that they're a towing company and their name is Speedy, but they've repeated it in their site title. Now, at least the one thing they did right was they put the location in there, which helps a little bit. Ray's Towing, they're way off because their site title is Ray's Towing. If I hover over there, it should say, welcome to Ray's Towing. Okay, they're already Ray's Towing in their URL structure, raystowingandrecovery.com. So the problem here is that they're missing an opportunity to stick a keyword in a really, really important place, and that's in the site title. Now, the problem I realize is that people think that their website is a billboard. And then if you put up a billboard, people will see it. But before we can actually show it to people online, Google has to decide to show it to them. So what you have to do is you have to give Google signals to tell them, please show people my website for this search. Best way to do that is by putting words in key places on your site. And one of the key places to put words, especially keyword searches, is in the site title. And let me show you something here. Let's see how many people are, didn't mean to do that. Look at the search volume for Hamilton Towing. Oh my God, it is 880 a month. So there you go. There's a couple of websites that are really wasting an opportunity to put a keyword in their site title and missing out on a lot of business. So here's a little tip. If you're running your own website and you know how to do it, if you're running WordPress and you know how to go in and change site titles, maybe I'll do a little video about that next. Or even if you know how to use a cPanel and you kind of have the idea of how to do find and replace basics and things like that, maybe I'll do a video on that too. Maybe I'll combine the two next video. That'd be a good idea. Then I'm going to show you a way that you can actually get a leg up in the race for ranking your website. All right, stay tuned for more DIY client type videos coming up in the future. Thanks for listening.